different takes from these like
Raccoon. That's a new one I heard.
Yeah.
Heard about.
yeah, that's been around for a little bit. We got a lot of it.
Pyro
this year.
Blast
It's
too.
another one. It's another one I just started.
Power Blast is brand new for me. Pyro Diablo is brand new for me.
See
I think
zombie
that's the
escape.
one I'm.
They got hella new shit. Y'all better come out.
No, but he just showed us some shit between them two right here.
This is
Friday night
this
and that
crazy.
song.
Power Blast, it's all Flash, bro.
It's crazy.
It's all, that hits like
And they got hype to it too. I was
Yeah.
like, damn, this is going
it's
up.
it looks like relapse.
And that 50 Shades of Silver, that one was good too.
I saw it at a price sheet, and I was like, I've never seen it before. I looked at one item, I go, God damn. I looked at another one, I go, oh,
Hey, so when you guys see something, you guys will order like a
yeah, right away I was like, hey man, do you still have this in stock? I'm like, yeah.
That's zombie escape. The ones that's on right now.
I got that
The
one.
fan
I got
one.
that one.
Boom,
I got
boom.
that one.
Oh yeah, that's
So
nice.
does the
I just
three
came back
across.
The other day when the lady
Man, when you see it has height, you know it's gonna
I
hit.
think it was. She helped me with the.
But this one's like the fan, you
Right,
know.
right,
That's
right.
what you
That
said
one
you
right there,
liked.
right?
You like
Yeah,
the fan
yeah,
ones.
Yeah, the fan cake.
Yep. Because it gets like the whole sky
Right.
across, you know. It's quick though.
I'm trying to. I know them the ones that shoot back
Damn,
that way.
yup.
Shoot back
Yeah.
that way.
Uh-huh.
See, I just had my girl send me some more money. I'm gonna hit that. I got my kids and my nephew. in the
Oh,
car.
bro,
I shot this one already.
I'm about to do the same thing. Go in the car, get another 100.
You beat it. I ain't gonna lie. For 58 shots, it is.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about this. This could just be something I could just let off.
Man, Memorial Day, I gotta buy something to play with for real. I need some shells.